Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, remove unwanted and leftover registry keys on Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Export registry for future use. Click and expand H-key current user. Click and expand software. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Programs and Features. Compare with installed programs and leftover registry entries. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.